Hey Pack Leaders, this is here, first time protecting families, protecting pack. I want to give you guys an update on my Bybit ranking. We are currently at number 11. Started with 49 BTC equity, up to current equity is 1, profit at 5. So 101.38%, pretty much doubled my return. And just need a couple more to get back on the top 10. So I hope to maybe achieve this maybe next week. If these guys aren't doing it much, I might actually get there. So cool. So anyways, I have a basic leverage trading course in my Wolfpack VIP group for only $10 a month. I think it's well worth it. It's basically the gist of what I'm doing right now to double your BTC holdings. Probably, I think I'm making about maybe $300 a day here and there on these moves. Some days more, some days less, but I think on average about $300 is what it seems like. So within like 2 weeks of trading, starting this account, let me see here. I think it started on the 15th. So about a week, we pulled in about. Oh, that's not me. In about a week, pulled in about 3,900. So in 1 month, I'm kind of projecting, wow, this could really add up quick. So about 4,000, 8,000 in 2 weeks, 16,000 in a month, just on this pretty basic strategy here. So if you guys want to get in on that, it's $10 a month to be part of the Wolfpack VIP group, and the link is below. Okay, thanks.